Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new studio. So yeah, if you guys are following me on my other social medias, which I do recommend because I'm much more regular on the likes of Instagram and Facebook than I am here on YouTube, but I'm hoping that will change now with this new space. So in today's video, I am testing out the Note Cosmetics the Mattifying Extreme Wear Foundation. I have been dying to try this out. I've heard great things about it. I just figured we would try it out together on camera. So I'm making so much noise. So you guys all know I suffer with acne, particularly on my cheeks and my chin area. It's hormonal. I've tried everything. Nothing works. I think I just have to live with it. So I'm not too fussed about it now. I've kind of gotten over that stage where I'm really embarrassed about the inflammation, but I know, especially being a makeup artist, not everybody feels like that. Some people want full coverage, and apparently this is Extreme Wear Foundation. It's meant to not budge. It's meant to be amazing. So I figured we'd try it out together. So I got shade Sand. This was $14.95 and I bought it from Armstrong Pharmacy in Arklow. So I wasn't gifted this, I bought this myself. I also bought the full coverage concealer. Now I did use the full coverage concealer as my eyeshadow base today and it seems nice. This is what the packaging looks like. So for oily skins, check Spirea extract. I've never heard of that before. Let's Google it together and see what this does. Okay, it's trying to sell me her book. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this one now. So this website is saying that the Spirea extract reduces the activity of sebaceous glands by inhibiting the activity. It may prevent acne that is caused by bacterial proliferation. Okay, so it sounds like it's a really good ingredient. Cedarwood oil is brilliant for acne as well, so I'm impressed. They're speaking to me already. Helps to reduce sebum production. Oh my god, we didn't have to Google that. And helps to the skin brightness. Helps to reduce sebum production and helps to the skin brightness. Okay, note, typo. Does not contain paraben, so that's good. Paraben is it's a synthetic ingredient that they use to prolong the life of products, but a lot of people can be really allergic or irritated by parabens. So yeah, I'm not irritated by parabens, but good to know it's not in here, so I can pop these in my kit for sensitive skins. Easy application. I hope so. Silky texture. Does not rub off by drying quickly. Okay, so I presume that means when when I put on foundations and it dries down and then I go to put on a concealer and it rubs off because it dries down. I presume that's what it means. And lasts all day. Okay, let's try it out. I got shade number 4, which is Sand. I can pop it on the back of my hand here so you can see it. Ignore my tan. I just put on a tiny bit of Sally Hansen. Okay, so that's the colour there. Oh, that feels really nice. It feels really silky, which I know it says that it is, but sometimes they lie to you. It does feel silky. That has greatly, I think the concealer here, reduced the appearance of the veins on my hands. It is lighter than my tan on my hands, but that's the story of my life. My face is obviously much lighter than my chest, so please be the correct shade. I'm going to use my flat brush from Penny's. I'm loving these at the moment. I'm going to pop one pump directly on. That's how much one pump is. And we'll apply this to the face. It smells like baby lotion. It smells gorgeous. Okay, so that's definitely a different colour to my tan. It's definitely more olive toned. And my tan is very orangey toned. Oh, that's so annoying. I should have got the darker shade. I thought the darker shade would be way too dark for me and that it would be a repeat of the Penny's foundation all over again. It might oxidize though. So I'm just going to use that brush and we're going to pack just what's left into those little spots. Okay, so one pump got me nearly half of my face. And I did put it on quite heavily. So I didn't put it on a sheer amount. I did kind of paint it on and pack it on. So I'm going to do the other side of my face. That is darkening down, or is it just me? It's starting to oxidize. Okay, so this just to give you a closer look. It looks really flawless, doesn't it? Like even these blemishes here, now I did have a little bit of a pick of those last night, which I know is super bold, but I'm going to put a little bit just on this concealer end so that I can get it between my eyebrows and just cover those up. Okay, so far so good. I'm impressed. 15 quid. Okay, I'm going to try out the under eye concealer. Well, it's just this full coverage concealer. This was $4.95 and the packaging is gorgeous for this, isn't it? Like it looks really high end. These are the boxes that they came in. Like they look really high end to me. So I got the number 2 beige. I was gonna get ivory and I was like, no, don't go for the white under eyes. You are 26, you're too old for that Instagram makeup, so. Okay, this is basically white. It's not in person, it's like a banana yellow, but on camera, yeah. Pretty white. So I'm not gonna do loads because that'll lighten it down, and because it is that little bit lighter, I don't wanna have to blend that into the foundation and make it too light. And I'm noticing that I'm getting these deeper smile lines at the moment. So what I do is have a little bit here, and then when I blend that out, it creates an illusion that it's not as deep and not as lined, but it's just all playing on lighting. Gorgeous, isn't it? The way the light's catching there. As I have to say, I am really, really impressed with this so far. And that concealer didn't add like a cakiness on top of the foundation, which lots of concealers do, especially if you're wearing full coverage foundation and then full coverage concealer. It's just full coverage, and then you're probably putting a powder and then probably a bronzer and a highlighter. So I mean, it's layer, layer, layer. But this is literally blended in so seamlessly. It's not making my under eyes look wrinkly or anything like that, which sometimes full coverage concealers can do to the under eye area. If you have under eye lines or kind of crepey skin, or you're starting to get wrinkles in that area, this might actually be a nice concealer for you. So that concealer has added, you can see this section here, a little bit on my forehead. It's just creating a lot of lightness in the center of the face. It is oxidizing a tiny bit, thank God. Or maybe I'm imagining it, I don't know. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit. Now this isn't Note, this is LA Girl, and this is in the shade Fawn. It's their Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. I'm just going to add, I was going to say a little bit, but I feel like I literally squeezed out so much. I'm just going to dot it. Okay, I'm going to blend that in. I'm going to use my larger foundation brush. I'm just feeling that foundation there because the concealer is not like, it's not difficult to blend in, but I can definitely feel that it is blending into a drier foundation. So I have no powder or highlighter or anything on, and I just love the way this looks. We'll see. Okay, so I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in translucent. It's this one here. I actually feel like my skin looks so nice with this on. It doesn't feel plastered on. I'm so impressed. Like I cannot get over this for less than 15 euros. It's gorgeous. I have foundations that are 45 euros that don't perform this well on my skin and don't look as nice on my skin. So guys, that is it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. It's probably going to be challenging getting the sound right in here because I can already hear that I'm echoing and there's cars in the street, but look, we'll figure it out. And if you just bear with me while I figure everything out, that'd be great. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps me and helps other people to see my videos. And if there's any other brands that you would like to see me try out, but if there's anything that you would like to see me give my thoughts on or put to the test, let me know. Yeah, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for always supporting me. And it's funny because people don't realize that by clicking into my videos on YouTube or by sharing them or comment, even a comment or a thumbs up really helps me out. And this is my hobby as well as my job, and I'm so lucky and so blessed to be in a position to be doing what I love. Yeah, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for making this dream happen for me. And yeah, I'm just really happy. So until the next time guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.